Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna test drive Krusty. Let's see, we do got some other stuff to do. One thing is we gotta get some tail lights, which I got these things here. They're actually for like towing a vehicle. They got magnets on it. And they just plug into the wiring for the hitch. Let's check the tires. Got 4 of them, so that's good. Looks like they're holding air. The fronts are severely dry rotted. I need to check my lights. Well, my main thing is my turn signals. I'll probably have to do something with those. Maybe duct tape them or something. Alright, so we're gonna give these lights a try. I got them plugged up, so let's see if they come on there. I don't know if I need to put the key in or not. Well, it would help if I turn them around where I can see them. Alright, so we got one working. I don't know what's going on with that other one. Maybe the bulb's out. Check that out. Let's check the signals. Guess I gotta turn the key on for that. Oh, we got flashage on that side. So we got some flashing going on. Nothing on that one. Of course, that's the one with the bad bulb on that side. So let's check this. Yeah, she's flashing there. So that's half of them. Let's try this. This side's stuck on. I don't see anything going on with that thing. It's on. The bulb's bad. But I took the bulb out of this side and put in that side. I got the turn signal. The flasher's actually working. But I guess I got these on the wrong sides. So that one's supposed to be on this side and that on that side. I'm gonna check the gas here. I'm not sure if my gas gauge works, so I can see some in there. I gotta go to the parts store and get me a light bulb and some gas and go to the post office and do my honey-do list while she's at work. So yay, that's what I get to do. Alright guys, I got my bulb and I got some new windshield wipers. These are just a little bit worn out. I don't even know if the windshield wipers work, but here's brakes. The brake lights are working. Let's try the signals. Here's one. And there's the other. I think for the front turn signals, I think I'm just gonna put them up where this hole is. And then I'll put a zip tie. There's a hole here. One up here. I'll just wrap one all the way around it and zip tie it in there and do the same thing on that side. There we go. It's not pretty, but it's functional. We gotta get something to hold the battery in, so we don't want that flying nowhere. Both of the radiator support mounts are broken off, so that's kind of just sitting there. As long as we don't jump no ramps, we'll be fine, I guess. The rest of the cab mounts, that one's gone too. Let's check these. That one's there, and that one's there, so we got two. That should be good enough. We got the tie wire holding his off, so that should be good. This brake hose is real old and dry rotted, so that may hold up. Alright, we got a ratchet strap holding the battery in, with some zip ties holding the excess strappage down, because I don't want it to get wound up in that wheel. Now I'm going to scrape off that old inspection sticker, just because I don't want to draw no attention to myself. I'm just going to put some gas in there just to make sure I don't run out of gas. Just like I said, I don't know if that gauge works. Alright, let's see if that gas gauge moves. It did move up a little. I guess maybe it does work. Alright, so let's start it up and let it warm up. Yes! Hopefully my alternator don't go out. That thing's still jumping around. Alright guys, my alternator's still dropping down to 12 volts. I guess I'm gonna have to get me an alternator, but it jumps right up there when I get on the gas. Gets to 14 volts. So we're off. Brakes seem like they work. Seems like we're good so far. We ain't made it out the driveway, but I guess we'll go down and turn around and bring it back up here. Dry rotted wheels are really bad. This thing rides rough. Voltage is still dropping. It's down to 13. See it 12. I'm guessing that's just my alternator. I don't even know if these windows roll down. Let's check these things out. Really slow. Oh, this switch anyway. Yeah, that thing's dropping. It keeps dropping. It won't even go to 14 while I'm on the gas no more. Sounds good though. Woo! Went and bought me a new alternator. So hopefully that'll help with my voltage problem. Alright, the new alternator is a lot bigger than this one. As you can see. So now I can't get my belt on there. So I'm gonna have to take it off and take it back. I'm back from the parts store again. I think I got the right one this time. Alright, that fit on there. Got my belt back on there. So hopefully that'll fix it. Let me get my air filter back on there and we'll try it out. Start her up here and get the right keys. There we go. Let's test her out here. Staying on there. So I guess that's what the problem was. The alternator was bad. I ain't gonna have time to test drive it no more today. At least we got that fixed. We did get it out on the road. That was kind of cool. So I guess that's it for this one. Until next time. See you.